I wanna have expensive cars, expensive houses.
My student.
It's just like I cannot catch an information.
Yeah, reason to go to school.
I love interaction with painting. Make another girl happy.
Don't tell him the answer yet. I love my job.
I don't know.
I think that's plan.
My major.
Yes, a very successful person, and I just want to improve my English. That's it.
Nothing else. Not
Yeah, in your experience.
Oh.
Hot like sun.
The field.
Yes.
Yes, the building is best.